Hello, and welcome to Petrichor Tarot. This is a general message for the collective, one that we will call the Daily Rain. Let's get to it. Today is August 28th, 2025. If by chance you would like to schedule a personal reading with me, the details on how to do that are in the description of the video. We have the Magician, the Page of Wands, the One of Pentacles or Ace of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Empress. You are off on an adventure. You are off on an adventure. You know what? This is where you're going to have fun. This is where you're going to get to play. You're going to just have... You're just going to have so much fun. Whatever this new thing you're embarking on, it's going to make you feel giddy. Like just so like in tune and just excited and just like, you're going to have so much fun. I can't stop saying that. And it's going to be very rewarding. Very rewarding. And it's not a gamble. You're essentially putting, cards on the table, and you're like, let's go. Like it's so rewarding for you. So rewarding. Because you're open to receive. It's not that you're gambling. It's not that, you're taking a chance. No, you're like, let me do this because I want to, not because, I have to. No. This is like, you know what? Let's get it. And it just feels so good. So much fun. You're gonna, like, your creative juices. It's just this vibe. And because you're like this master of give and take type of energy, this flow, right? You give and take. You're giving, and you're like, yes, I receive. You receive all the blessings. You receive everything that comes with this new thing you're embarking on. It could be a new project, could be a new job, but whatever it is, it just feels like not easy. It doesn't feel easy. It just feels like all the dots are connected, right? All the dots are connected. It's solid. Everything goes in your favor. This, done. That, done. Here, that. It just stack of just abundance. And that was because back here, you essentially told the universe, okay, I'm doing what you said you wanted me to do. I let go right? I let go and I said, yes, I am going to trust. Because the universe, maybe when you're ready for it, the universe just like, here you go. Like, here. You are so deserving. You are so just you're so deserving. You know, you're the type of person that when the universe gives you something, you say thank you. Whether it's, you know, whether that comes from work, from a family, from a relationship, from whatever, right? From a complete stranger out on the street, you say thank you. And you say thank you. You've been saying thank you for a while, but you say thank you to even the not so awesome things that happen, right? Plenty of awesome things happen in our life every day, every day. Sometimes we just don't see it, but you're that kind of person that you're like, thank you. And thank you for the things that didn't come my way, because you know if they didn't come your way, it's because they were not meant for you as much as you wanted them. And you said, I accept that. I accept that something down the road is going to be coming for me. And you are essentially being rewarded. You are being gifted with, again, an abundance by the universe. And you become an empress. You become an empress. An empress doesn't lack. An empress is full. They have more than enough. They are so blessed. This energy is one of so many blessings on so many different levels. We're not just talking money. We're talking time. We're talking love. We're talking patience, gratitude, compassion, knowledge and wisdom and understanding. It's all that abundance on so many different aspects and levels of our life, of our day-to-day. It is just so fruitful. It just is. So if you're not here already, this is what's coming for you. This is what's coming for you. Let go, trust that the work that you did is going to put you in a different place to see things differently, and you're going to see how the universe blesses you, rewards you, and it's a connection of mutual respect, okay, mutual gratitude. Wow, love it. Love it. This just feels so good. I'm so happy for you. Your time is precious, and I thank you for tuning in. Come back tomorrow, like and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.